Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Pooja. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video I'm going to share with you this purple eye makeup look. Hope you guys will enjoy it. If you enjoy my video, then please subscribe to my channel with the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my future upload. Now let's get started the video. So first of all, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. I will apply it all over my eyelid. And with the help of a beauty blender, I will spread it all over my eyes very gently. Next I'm gonna use the Maybelline Clear Glow Compact, and with the help of a brush I will apply it all over my eyes so that my concealer will be set nicely. Next I'm gonna use a grey color eyeshadow, and with the angle brush I will fill it to my eyebrows. First I will give the shape and then I will fill it. Next I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone eyeshadow palette, and I picked this up from Nykaa store. First I'm gonna use the light shade and it will be my transition shade. Next I'm gonna use this copper brown shade from the same palette, and I will apply it all over my eyelid, and I will also make sure that it wouldn't go out beyond the crease line of my eyes. Next I'm gonna use this purple color eyeshadow with another eyeshadow palette, and I will apply it with the help of my finger, and I will also make sure that I'm applying it under the crease line of my eyes. Next again I'm using the light shade from Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I will apply it into my crease line and blend it just to make sure there should not be any harsh line. Next I'm gonna use this matte brown shade, and I will apply it into my outer V and inner V just to give a smoky finish to my eyes. Next I'm gonna use this light shade just to highlight my inner corners and my brow bones. Next I'm gonna use the same matte brown eyeshadow from the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I will apply it all over my lower lash line, and I will smudge it very nicely. Now I'm gonna use the Lotus eyeliner in the shade black, and I will draw a small winged eyeliner. So now it's time to curl my eyelashes, and I'm gonna use the Vega curler. Next I'm gonna use the Lakme Iconic Mascara. It is my all-time favorite mascara, and I will apply the 2 coat of mascara into my upper lash line and my bottom lash line. Now I'm gonna use the same brand kajal. It is Lakme Iconic Kajal, and I will apply it into my lower waterline. Now I will clean all the fallout of my face during my eye makeup, and I'm using a wipe to clean it. So here I am already done with my moisturizer and my face primer, and I'm gonna mix these 2 products for my base makeup. So first of all I will dot it all over my face, and then with the help of a beauty blender I will blend it very nicely. Next again I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer just to highlight my dark circle, and I will also highlight my T-zone area of my face with using it. Now I'm gonna set my base with the help of a brush, and I'm gonna use that same Maybelline Clear Glow Compact. Now I'm gonna bronze up my face just to give a warmth and color to my face, and I'm gonna use the same matte brown color from the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Next I'm gonna mix these two blush shades for blushing my cheeks. I don't want too much blush on my face, so I'm picking up these shades very lightly. Next I'm gonna use this light shade from the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I will use it as a highlighter, and I will apply it all over my highlighted area of my face. Now I'm gonna use a lip liner just to give a shape to my lips. Next I'm gonna use this red lip color from Nykaa Seal with the Kiss Lip palette in the shade Bold and Beautiful, and I picked it up from Nykaa store. I already made a video on this palette, so if you guys want to see, you can check my description box. I will mention the link below. Next I'm gonna use this light color eyeshadow, and I will apply it on my lips. It will give a metallic look to my lip color. So here is the finished look. Hope you guys will enjoy it. If you enjoy it, then please do like and share my video, and also subscribe to my channel with the bell icon. It really means a lot to me. And wait for my next video. Till then, bye bye guys, take care.